Hey there, Raiders! Here's how to get mechanical parts in Sand. Mechanical parts are an important crafting resource used for building new tramplers, equipment, and other advanced items, so you'll eventually need plenty of them as you progress through the game. To find mechanical parts, head to points of interest such as shipwrecks, abandoned structures, or islands scattered throughout the map. While looting, keep an eye out for crates marked with a cog icon. These are parts crates, and they commonly contain mechanical parts along with other useful materials like scrap metal. If you want a better chance of finding larger amounts, focus on major landmarks such as towns and other named locations. You should also prioritize looting rare parts crates whenever you find them, as higher tier crates usually contain better rewards and larger quantities of resources. As always, stay alert while scavenging. And that's all of it. If this video helped, please leave a like or comment and subscribe to the channel for more straightforward guides. Thanks for stopping by, and see you in the next side quest.